Hello everyone, welcome to Custard Squad. So today in this video I will teach you how to use WhatsApp on Windows 10 using any web browser. So before I start my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button. So open any web browser, type web.whatsapp.com. So from your mobile open WhatsApp. Click on WhatsApp web. Okay. Now scan your QR code. So here you can see your mobile screen on computer Windows 10. From here you can use all features of your WhatsApp. You can chat with anyone, you can call. So if you want to log out, then click on log out from all devices. Log out. So your WhatsApp log out from Windows 10. So if you like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button. If you have any question about video, ask me in comment section. I will be happy to answer all your queries. See you in another interesting video. Take care. Bye bye.